AI is moving so fast it's insane. And I'm going to be honest with you. If you think you've seen it all, you haven't even seen the beginning. 2025 is the year everything gets turned upside down. We're talking about changes that will redefine your job, your country, and maybe even the entire world. So today, we are cutting through all the noise to show you the absolute biggest AI trends that are happening right now. This isn't just another tech video. This is your survival guide for the future. First up, the biggest change is happening where you work. For years, using AI was like using a calculator. You had to punch in every single command to get an answer. It was slow, and it couldn't handle big problems by itself. Well, that's all over. Now, we have autonomous AI systems, or what we call AI agents. And to use that same analogy, you're no longer just handing a calculator to an accountant. The AI is the accountant. These systems can do their own research, manage entire supply chains, and make critical decisions all on their own. We're not talking about simple chatbots anymore. We're talking about a brand new digital workforce. And by 2025, tons of companies are already putting these AI agents to work to get a massive competitive advantage. This is creating a monumental shift in how work gets done. As these AI agents take over all the repetitive digital tasks, it frees up human talent to focus on what we do best, coming up with big ideas and creating the next big thing. This isn't science fiction anymore. This is happening right now, as we speak. But let's be real. Giving AI this much power is seriously risky. It's like handing over the keys to a supercar without any traffic laws or even a driver's test. How do you stop it from going completely off the rails? That brings us to trend number 2. AI has to follow the rules. If you just let these powerful AI systems run wild, they can create huge problems, amplify biases, and cause real-world harm. So, countries around the world are stepping in. In 2025, massive new regulations like the EU AI Act are kicking in, forcing companies to prove that their AI is safe, fair, and has a human watching over it. Making safe AI isn't just a nice idea anymore. It's quickly becoming the law. Companies that get this right will win everyone's trust, and the ones that don't, they're going to be left behind, facing huge fines and a loss of public faith. Look, I know this is all happening so fast it can make your head spin. If you want to stay ahead of the curve and understand how these changes will affect you, hit that subscribe button right now. We are going way deeper on this stuff in future videos, and you do not want to miss it. Next up, things get global. The fight for AI dominance between the United States and China has just entered a completely new and more intense phase. And this isn't just some tech competition. It's a battle for who controls the future of the global economy. The US tried to slow China down by cutting off their access to the best computer chips, kind of like trying to win a car race by siphoning your rival's high-octane fuel. But it didn't quite work as planned. Chinese firms have been building incredibly powerful AI models using older hardware for a fraction of the cost, proving that you can still win by being a more efficient driver. They are still very, very much in the race. This strategic competition is splitting the digital world in two. Soon, countries might have to choose a side, America's AI ecosystem or China's. And that decision will reshape international alliances for decades to come. Last but not least, the technology itself is going through a crazy evolution. For years, the thinking was that to get smarter AI, you needed bigger and bigger models, like building a giant, gas-guzzling truck engine to get more power. But those giant models cost a fortune to build and run. So the new trend is the complete opposite. We're building small language models, or SLMs. These are like the compact, turbocharged engines of the AI world. Models like Microsoft's Phi series can perform almost as well as the giant models on many specific tasks, but they're small enough to run directly on your phone. This means powerful AI is getting way cheaper and way more accessible. Soon, this technology won't just be in the cloud. It'll be right in your pocket, in your car, and embedded in everything you use, making your life more personalized and instant. So that's the big picture for 2025. AI isn't just some tool anymore. It's becoming a digital workforce. It's at the center of a global power struggle, and it's getting so small and smart it's going to be in everything we own. These trends aren't some far-off future. They are literally happening as you watch this video. The people who understand this right now are the ones who are going to build the future. So I have to ask you, what part of this are you most excited or maybe most worried about? Let me know down in the comments. I really do read all of them. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.